Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 4th, subject Marigold. Textbook. Unit 5. In our last video, we have discussed a story about Helen Keller. So now today, we will continue our work from page number 87. In our last video, we have left some activities. So today, we will complete it. Okay. So let's see. So next activity is let's write. First one, match the two parts of sentences given under column A and B. Add but to join the two parts and write complete sentences. Okay. Now here some sentences given in two parts as you can see in there, and column A and column B, and you have to join them. Okay, and by using but. So let's see. So Helen lived after her illness, and now we will use but to join two sentences, and second sentence we have to find from column B. Okay, so Helen lived after her illness, but she could not hear or see. So we will join both them. Then second one, she could not see or hear, but she could not see or hear, but she was very intelligent. Then people thought that she could not learn anything, but her mother thought she could learn. Then fourth one, Helen copied the words, but did not understand what she was doing. So joined with B. Then Miss Sullivan was strict, but she was kind to Helen. Okay, and now after this joining this word, you have to write here. So Helen lived after her illness, but she could not hear or see. Second one, she could not see or hear, but she was very intelligent. People thought that she could not learn anything, but her mother thought she could learn. Fourth one, Helen copied the words, but she did not understand what she was doing. And last one, Miss Sullivan was strict, but she was kind to Helen. Okay, now next activity is team time. Read the following sentences. Here are 4 sentences given. You have to read it. Okay, so let's read. Her clothes were always dirty. Her clothes were always dirty. Second one, she was often angry. She was often angry. Sometimes she lay on the floor. Sometimes she lay on the floor. Last one, her parents never scolded her. Her parents never scolded her. So here words are used always, often, sometimes and never. Always, often, sometimes and never. Next one. Ask yourself the following question. Put a tick right under the right column. Then now your friend will ask you the same questions. So here are activity given that you can do with your friend. So let's see. Here 5 column given. First one, questions always, often, sometimes and never. First of all, you have to do yourself, then ask your friend, and your friend will ask you the same questions. Okay, so first one, how often do you? So A, obey your parents, which is your answer, always. often, sometimes or never. So, which is your answer? Yes, always. Then, visit your grandparents. Always, often, sometimes, never. Which is your answer? You have to tick right mark, okay? So here I am doing sometimes. Fight with your brother or sister. Always, often, sometimes, never. Which is your answer? Maybe your answer will be often. Help others. Always, often, sometimes, never. Yes, always. Then throw waste in the dustbin. Yes, always. Switch off the lights when you go out of the room. Yes, always. Leave the tap on while brushing your teeth. Always, often, sometimes or never. Which is your answer? Yes, never. Tear pages from your notebook. Yes, never. Here you have to write your own answer, okay? Okay, now next activity. Let's make something. This activity you can do at home yourself. From newspapers or old magazines, collect stories or reports of courageous children and draw pictures of the story and talk about the stories. Okay, now let's see next activity. Sing this song together. So here a song given that you have to practice to sing. Okay, let's see. I have a little sister. They call her Pretty Pip. I have a little sister. They call her Pretty Pip. She wades in the waters deep, deep, deep. She wades in the water deep, deep, deep. She climbs up the mountains high, high, high. She climbs up the mountains high, high, high. My pretty little sister, she has just one eye. My pretty little sister, she has just one eye. So let's see again. I have a little sister. They call her Pretty Pip. She wades in the waters deep, deep, deep. She climbs up the mountains high, high, high. My pretty little sister, she has just one eye. So, who is Pretty Pip? Yes, here answer given a star. Okay. So this activity you have to write in your textbook. Okay. Thank you.